This is the greatest conflict of nature's evolution, part 2. Zingy and Chad, they'd just be chilling, about to have a discussion about some cat life and some dog life. Zingy about to prance. Chad is just relaxing. Zingy meow. She says, "Get out of my house. This is my territory, right, Zingy? My territory. This is nature's evolution concepts. Part 2. Zingy is saying something, but we don't know what she's saying. We think she's saying, "It's my house. Please leave." But Chad made himself comfortable. She's thinking, should I poke the Yorkie? Or should I leave it alone?